Fishing, big up yourself. We here again. Ready up now. Yo, pre-Melissa. Listen, man, we're not pre that girl in. No, we're up on the right. Special K, love you, girl. Big up yourself. Enough love and respect. Big up yourself to Mystic Top Girl. Enough love and respect all the time. Big up yourself to Alicia. Enough love and respect all the time. Sadie Bumper, Roxanne TV. All down the females. Enough love and respect too. No? Without here, guys, Moby, pre-Melissa. Today also I'm gonna go up on the road again. I do a short video again. And you know, like wait, you know, say tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, or North Coast. So Meriton, I want to get a haircut your fat. Hair don't look good. Hair look good. You know, sir. Full body here. Ladies, up there, outside. Pre-Melissa. Oh, guys, I'm gonna give you the rundown. What's going on? Me and Cuz going on the road again. And hi. So me and Cuz get trouble, you know. Me and Cuz going on the road again, guys, right? So Cuz is right here. We left Rasta in our house. I watch your pot. So when we was leaving, I said it real loud. I'm like, yo, Cuz, Rasta soon done cook the pork pot. Yo, Cuz.
Why just back off my pot, bro?
He backed up off the pot. He's like, yo, dog, I mess me up. We don't know, say Rasta don't like the pork thing already, you know, guys. Yo, me tell him, you know, me tell him, look what. Guys, me tell him, look what, me say, you better not pot, bono. Better not pot, bono, man. Bono, more, man. Me and Cuz I have problems today, guys. I start time, you know, Melissa time, so. We just say me and Cuz I run on the road because we have some look small items I have to grab. You don't know if we personal look at things and I chill, we chill. We actually want to make sure the rum stock up, man. Don't joke, guys. On some real levels, that's one of the things that got to be stocked in the crib. You can't run out of the rum in case of any injuries or cuts or bruises. Yeah, you have it to rub up or you get wet up, sick up or anything. So the buckle half a day in the house, just in case. You know what I'm saying, guys? You know, I don't know where am I going, can't move. Look when made it. Yo, so guys, we outside. So, you know how we do it. Just run around. Me and Cuz I get trouble. Jesus, man. I say, in tank will be good day. Jesus, you know, so we get trouble though. You know. Lord have mercy, yo, guys. I'm sorry. Reality TV, Jamaican shore fishing. We out here. Yo, you know, so we get trouble. Nah, get no more trouble for yours out here, Cuz. We're up on the road. Yeah. We are behaving ourselves. Cuz, how about that? Jesus, peace. Oh. No, I know she. Man, I don't be asking, you know.
Let me see my long hair pass here.
Where's the long hair pass? Where's the hair in the ear? Yo. Lord have mercy, look what this truck there. I don't know where him I go so. Look like I grave it. No, I'm not something like that. Come man.
Traffic jam, boy.
Traffic jam, look guys. So we outside. I'm going to show you.
Pass the traffic.
Pass the traffic. They might idiot to pick up passenger man, so you can just groan them. Look on this idiot. They're grown. Watch this guys, look. This is what they do.
The foolish person.
You see that? They block the road up, they do what they like. Look at this one. He's driving out looking that way. No good. So I try showing you guys. So look, driving that way and looking the other way. No good. Bless up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We out here, guys. So, guys, we have it to face out here. You know, look on this one here. This one are the top passenger and me glide road. Why would they like? Look here.
Upon the Chinese, them upon the edges are well.
Chinese are well where? How are Chinese there?
Them upon the red building there, sir.
Chinese them upon road. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Woo! Yeah, what Chinese man I do up there in the middle of the evening, yeah. In a daytime, a rainy time away. Look, we have some Chinaman. Chinaman. It's not Spider-Man, it's Chinaman.
Spider-Man.
Look, and we have a bald-head Chinaman smoking a cigarette right here, look.
Bonnie pipe.
Jaja.
Bonnie cigalo.
So, we have the Chinaman. Chinaman. Big up yourself, guys. We outside. Yeah, man. That's it, guys. We outside doing our thing. Running around. Giving trouble. I say, we have all kinds of people around here doing all kinds of things. Jeez, peas. Yeah, I'm gonna sell banana over here, so.
Banana.
Mm-hmm. We have this one I sit on in a car trunk. Mm-hmm.
Clear.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
The way they start kick up yet, now move if everybody start running like a idiot. Look, rain a fall, no man not run up like a idiot.
Now start falling.
See? Move on them run around get them groceries. Everybody up around and run them groceries. Every of them things.
Man, I have him jar red.
Ninja red like somebody slap him. Mm-hmm. Alright guys, big up yourself. Stay tuned.
Oh, it's bad.
This one Rasta also asked me if peas are drunk. He lost my camera mount look while off. I camera look while. This is raw and covered. This is raw footage of everything we are going during Melissa. I wanna hide nothing this time. We gotta keep it real. And we are idiots, you know. Cause we got road and forgot certain things, and now we need to go road again. Now this a breeze, yeah, and this a weather. And Rasta just mash up the whole of my mount for my camera, so my camera can't lock upon my dashboard again like how I had it before. Because I don't know when Tony gone someplace over the side yard. But here we're going. Cause Rasta, I want to Rasta school today. Cause look what the camera cause. Tell me what's wrong with Rasta school today.
In screw. I can slack up I slip off.
Rasta screw slack up I slip off today. I chain jump off I track. Yo guys, forgive me. Hurricane. Hey, yo, watch it, yo, watch the gate. Yo, you see all the shit that's happening? Excuse me. I normally don't do this on channel. All the stuff that's happening during Melissa, guys. Yo guys, listen to me, man. Camera's on. Me mount them mash up because Rasta lost a screw time on look while and we are going road again. And then I carry search about 1 hour straight because he dropped my screw for the mount. And we don't know what Rasta do with it, but we're not pay that no money. You know, so we're generous, we love him, love same way. But we just are pressing button. Not making no say be responsible. We're just pressing the shit out of this button today. So me and Cuz on his case. So guys, don't pay no money to eat Bex. You don't get Bex like a ras. I'm coming right front seat right now, guys. So this is what's up. So do I? Eh? Say I talk about place bush up. So you know chop it down.
Parish council to come clean them.
A parish council to do what?
Vicinity.
Yo bro, you didn't like car and you go and like say you can't chop or clean. And we do this every day. Eh? Rasta?
Christmas we clean up the place.
Christmas ever? You see how far Christmas is?
That's a month away.
So my place in a jungle till you decide say Christmas a cleaning time. Cause you hear this right
You
here?
have to do it like the politicians.
Cause you hear this man come talk about Christmas a cleaning for you bush them round the place.
Where?
On the block.
More clean.
You know what?
More clean, you look at. I'm a politician.
I'm my politician.
You're upside here.
Andrew Boldness. Andrew Boldness this. You see him not green though. He not green. People look for the green body shot. Rasta politician like here. I know people look. Look, me and Cuz there. So Rasta last me mount for my camera people, so I have to hold. See? Rasta last me mount. Look, you make me think wobbling now dogs. Dog, no I hearing fine, you know? You bakes like a rat right now. Look here, look for them.
No problem, you know?
In a Melissa. In a Melissa you lost my camera mount. Me?
I drop over.
Drop your drop. Yo my youth, you know some I drive. People may drive. Me not even pay Rasta no mind, you know. But we got a store go bother some girl with their work. And then can't go home in a storm day because then they are work in a hurricane day. So then they're on the flat still, but we are good and go bother them. So stay tuned. Here? October 27th. Monday. We out. Me and Rasta. Rasta's here. You got Cuz in the back here. And we just wake up. I'm actually at the gas station because I forgot to get gas yesterday. And before the storm hits, hopefully it don't. And that's what I'm hoping for. And I'm just filling up my tank to make sure that I'm topped up and I'm good for when I go back in. The next couple of hours is supposed to be horrific with rain and all kinds of stuff. So I'm trying to do what I can do now and then get back in. I did some video clips from when the rain was falling yesterday. I'll show you guys a few more clips as I go through the town today. You see all my hair? Bad hair morning. I haven't even brushed my hair yet. Bad. But stay tuned, guys. Enough love, respect. We're staying safe. Don't worry. We're good. We're gonna hunker down. Alright? Big up yourselves. We out. You know, so sometimes we'll make a joke out of a bad thing, because here we are getting ready for a Category 5 storm. And we said, I joke out the thing. I joke out the thing, and I joke about life still. But the weather here is calm as hell, and they said before there's a storm, there's a calm, right? So, take a look real quick, guys. Right. I have a little thing that's happened at one of the villas, and I gotta run there real quick and get back in real quick before it gets bad. So all the gutters are being cleaned, everything's being freed up, everybody are doing emergency planning on things. So we're there, guys, running down here to take care of a few things, and this is a video pre-hurricane. So I'm doing a video from start to finish, and I'm sure you guys seen the last video I did when I was riding around and stuff like that. So, but stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Love you guys. Take care. Bless up yourself. Twisted. Cuz is coming, and they forgot something else on the road, which I didn't feel like going to get because I want to relax. But ends up being that we short something that we have to get. So, going on road. Stay tuned. Upside. Shore Fishing, just a quick update, letting you guys know what's going on and the condition of what's happening here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. The weather has definitely kicked up, guys. It's definitely given us some hectic, funky winds, as you hear in the background. It's raining now. It's moving pretty fast and rapid. And guys, trust me, we're in for it. Check this out, guys. This is what it looks like in Montego Bay, Jamaica right now, guys. So stay tuned for more live updates. It is kicking up pretty bad. As you can see, these trees are getting real funky, guys. Yeah, man. Heavy rain. Stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Definitely getting hairy out there. And sticky. The weather is bad, guys. Bad. So, like I said, stay tuned for more epic clips that I will be filming along the way. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here.
I give you a live update from outside. Live update. Yeah. Yes, people. Rasta live in the weather here. Shore fishing. Out and out. And we are capturing a few scenes. So, yeah, we are out here. The rain, the wind, everything is so windy, rainy. Yeah, peeps. So we outside. Let the flood here. Yeah, peeps. We in the weather. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Rasta live. Yeah, catching a few scenes. Yeah, very windy, as you can see. The background here. Yeah, all the trees. Yeah, windy, risky, but at the same time, we're catching a few scenes. So that's it. Okay. Alright, people, we're back to you with some more scenes. Okay, yeah.
Fishing. Bless up yourself, guys. Thank you guys for joining in. Appreciate you guys. I don't know if you guys can hear this noise. My roof is lifting up. I got water coming down in my living room through the walls right here, guys. And I had to clear my whole living room. My living room is basically a waterfalls right now, guys. Look at this. All water coming down in my living room. Pouring rains off my curtains right now. Yeah, guys, so a bad experience. Terrific outside, guys. I'm getting the shit beat out of me today. I got debris all over my veranda. My roof is coming off. I got water coming down my doors, my walls. Check it out, guys. My whole entire roof is lifted up. All of this has lifted off on the outside, and all this water is now pitching in on the inside. You guys can see that water on my door is running down. Pretty much everything here is ruined. So, like I said, I'm good, guys. Bless up yourself. All kind of stuff. Wires torn down out there. Power lines going down. My cable line got torn down. Holy shit. Yeah, guys, this is serious shit. All this. The roof is completely gone. Look at that. Everything around me is destroyed, guys. All the roofs around me, all the trees gone. It's still pretty hectic out here. I gotta be extremely careful. They got sharp objects flying around this place. So this is what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. We're definitely out here, guys. Showing you full coverage of what's going on here. Crazy, crazy shit. Montego Bay is messed up. I just actually ventured out in the middle of the night here. My roof went, guys, as you guys seen in the video before. My whole... Holy shit, it's not stoplight. That's KFC sign. What the fudge bucket? Yo, dogs, this is serious shit, man. Yo, look at this. Holy shit, out here tonight, guys. I got my high beams on and everything. The stoplights all turned sideways. The signs are all down on the ground. Cameras messed up. This is craziness. Yo, bro, I wonder if we can go up Creek Street. Oh, shit.
For this one stuff.
Oh, shit.
I scared gonna put it there?
Yeah, Aki tree. Holy shit. Look at this wire, power wire down. You think we should go Creek Street or go River Bay and cut up? River Bay and cut up. Easiest way. I don't think River Bay floods out. I don't think there's any big tree unless the big cotton tree drop across the road down the, you know, the big cotton tree where they're not boys girls club. Bumbo cloud police, don't they know? Rasta, look on the power line them. Eh? Who that?
How that can pass?
Yeah, we're back up that St. James tree, you know? Yeah, back up. Earlier I hit that light wire on the other side earlier. I don't want to hit anything else on this side coming up. Just try not to run over no nails. This is bad, bro. This is horrific. Rasta, hold this video camera. Video, bro.
Yeah, man.
They put this piece of pole to hold the wires up and knocked it down. Oh my god, yo. Yo, this big tree tore the Yo, dude. This is crazy.
Yeah, pass.
It's a pass, yeah. This is crazy shit. Mash up. Lock up what? Here I want headquarters.
Big CIB them.
HQ. Fucked up last night up here last night, guys. I came up here last night. I got a flat tire and I got damage on my car last night. So this was crazy. Hello, morning. So everybody's out videoing, guys. Look, this is a catastrophe. Look at the police station. Holy shit! Freak up! Destroyed, guys. Holy shit. Look at our highways. Look at our roads, guys. This is no joke, Jamaica. No joke. Mash up. Last night when we come down here, I said we had that tree wire last night. Bay signs destroyed. Everything around us is destroyed, guys. Category 5 storm and we survived it. That's right. Oh shit, we got white people. Can I go there? I know you want master, me too. I want to plug me a look right now. This is River Bay road blocking now. If you see everybody I turn back this away from this side, done so blocking now. Bumbo clam, I'm still on the chat mash up. Janet shop. Oh, Miss Janet shop go see them number 48. Lord God, the tree. I'm gonna tell Miss Janet. Shop, drop down, I'm tell her. Craft market, get fuck. Miss Janet, shop alright, go. I tell her I'm go. Look, looking at arcade. Look, lad. That's right. Oh, I want container shop, so I move to that now, no roof fire. Gas station lock up, gas station not clean up. Goddamn people, look at the gas station. Holy shit. Look at our local gas station, guys. Got twisted up. You got a whole shitload of repairs to do. God damn, guys. This is bad, guys. I wonder if the tire shop is gonna be accessible around Pan River Bay Road. I ain't there, you know. Over here, you know. And block off the gate, all the gate leak out the blood clot, the pole. Bumbo clot! Bumbo clot! I want tools, trailer tools tonight, you know. I big cotton tree, me I look for a chap down here, so. Bumbo clot! Jaja, water work it, fuck up. Bumbo clot! Look on the container. Jaja God. NWC. For the power line them. Tire shop get mashed up. The tire shop up on the left, up there. Where I go now? Let's see if we can go up and go find sitting up there. Tire shop survive? My pussy clad. Bumbo clad. Yo, you want to see my house? I want a flat tire, I get me a look one plug. Me have the tool, me just want one plug.
Really, that's something.
Nobody over there? Yeah, man. Tell me something, just want one plug. Okay. Alright guys. I just got done fixed my flat tire that I got last night. And then I had my spare pumped up and everything. So now concrete walls are falling down. Hey, look at this shit. Holy shit, look at this guys. This is crazy shit. What's up, bro? This is crazy shit. This is nuts. Bumbo clot. Cooler one. Everything in Mobile. Look at the windows. Look at the solar powers. Holy shit. Damn, guys. Yo, people. Craft market, all that stuff dropped on. Goddamn. Got the shop alright, at least our roof. Now come off, she good. Holes are leaned over, gully bus stop, all messed up. Signs in the road. All this is going on. Watch this goddamn sign down here, because I highly doubt that we can pass up by Cornwall College. It's all fucked up, bro. Holy shit. You don't like camera come off our road? Bumbo clot, what you feel? This is what's up. This is what we gotta drive through in this beach. This is crazy shit. Crazy, crazy shit. Was you able to go up? Tree dropped in our road. So we gotta clear this tree out of our road. And that's what's up. Send on. Bust them up, cuz. Look out for wires here. Start. Down. You prime? Alright, good. One road. You have to go this way and under there and go through this. You have to go under this and go through this.
Could I go deep?
Yeah, but over there so kind of sticky with the wire them. Alright, come cuz. Small pieces, here cuz, oi! Small pieces, some can move them to the side.
Catch one. Watch it. You know. Yeah, shore fishing. We're all here, guys. Watch yourself. Yo, me hear this a crack. Me hear a crack. What am I doing? Cool, man. You know it's gonna take a while to get to it, so we are trying to do it ourselves. Get rid of it, you see me? Huh? Engine oil, yeah, you know. If you look over at Common, you see the big jug of Valvoline oil over there. It's in I Common, right there, so next to the tank to cover.
Oh, you're trying that?
No, I blew over there. One whole gallon. It's right there, so I empty lot. Just look, you see a red and blue can. Because it say pretty sitting them there. Yes, good.
Alright. I need help to move some of them here, I know. Yeah? Who that? A Salvation Army. Charity. Sorry. Oi, watch yourself on the saw. Watch the face. Oi. Watch your head. Cuz, cut up this more. Clear that part there, here. Oi! Now walk around there, some man. Cause you put yourself in a problems. Which part of the tree can drop and crush you? Come, baby, come. Come. Come on, baby. Let me get you out of here. Wait for mommy here. Yeah, careful, mommy, because it's slippery in there. It's slippery bud. Jaja. Jaja, God. Try not to drop it on them pipe there. Yeah, throw them over there so behind the light post. And you over there so come in through, mommy, you're good. And this here can cut up now? Eh? So we can tap then?
So what? Hey guys, we got our cleanup team coming through. Come coach, bust up them now. Help them bust them, man. So we can do it faster. Rain are coming now. Big up yourself. Thank you for joining the channel. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and watch ads, guys. And big up yourself, and thank you for joining us during our Hurricane Melissa, that bitch. But don't worry about it. We got it fixed up. Got our whole neighbors out here. Look, I got all my neighbors. Look, they happy as hell, and we in a disaster. But don't worry about it. We got life, and we can fix that tomorrow, right?
Yep.
That's what's up. So big up yourself, and I'm gonna show you the tree that we was cutting up earlier. It's right here, guys. It's gone. Big tree cleared out, and we're gonna clear up some more. Yeah, but we have disaster around us, guys. It's not nice. Definitely not nice. But guess what? We're not gonna let that ruin our spirits, though. That's what's up. See, even the doggies are happy. What's up? Come on, let's go. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna close this video off, guys. Got to do some editing later. So big up yourself. Thank you for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Enough love and respect. And remember to please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ad. We out.